Hello everyone, welcome to SQL session. Today I will show you how to insert values into a table and how can we avoid duplicate entries into a table. So first I am going to open SQL Server Management Studio. I am going to expand databases. Under the databases, you can see training database. I am going to use training database here. Click on training database, then click on new query. Then a page will open. I'm going to expand database also. Under the training database, you can see tables. I'm going to expand tables. Under the tables, you can see department table. Today, I am going to insert values into department table. I'm going to expand department table. Here you can see columns. I'm going to expand columns also. The column names are department code, department name, status, created by, created date, modified by, modified date, deleted by, deleted date. For inserting values into a table, the syntax is insert into table name. Here I am going to choose the table name as department. Open bracket. Here we have to mention the column names. The first one is department code, comma, department name, status, created by, comma, created date. Then we have to mention the values. Values, open bracket. Here you can see the data type of department code is varchar. If the data type is varchar, then we have to mention the values in single quotes. So I am going to give single quotes and I am going to give the department code as 1001. Here I mentioned the column names in an order. So while giving the values also, you have to give in the same order, comma, department name as HR, comma, status A, created by LJ, comma, created date 2021 September 8th. Then close the bracket. Then select the statement. Then either click on the execute button or press F5. I'm going to click on the execute button. Now you can see one row affected. Now we will check the values in department table. For getting all the values in department table, the statement is select star means all the columns from table name. Table name is department. I'm going to select this statement, then click on the execute button. Here you can see the row already inserted. Now I am going to insert another record, 1002 finance. Select the statement, then execute. Then you can see one row affected. Then select the statement, 1002 already inserted. Now I am going to give 1003, but I am going to give the department name as finance. I am going to select the statement and I am going to insert. So this row also inserted. Now select the statement, then execute. Now you can see 2 times finance inserted into department table. So this entry is a duplicate one. Now how can we avoid this kind of duplicate entries? For that one, the statement is if not exists, open bracket, then select. First I am going to select all the values from department, star from department. Then I have to give a condition. For giving a condition in SQL, the statement is, or the syntax is where. So here the department name is repeated. So whenever the user insert value into a table, we need to check that the department name already inserted or it's already exists there or not. So I'm going to choose department name is equal to. I'm going to give the department name as finance here. Then close the bracket. Now I am going to select this statement, then execute. Now you can see 2 records already there. So instead of star, select only department code. Okay. Now select the statement, then execute. So 2 department code already there. Then begin, end. So here what I am checking is if finance, the department name which is not there, then only insert value into department table. Now I am going to select the statement, the insert statement, and I am going to paste it here. Now I'm going to select the value. So 1003 is already there. Now I am going to give 1004 because department code is the primary key. If I give 1003, then it will not allow because department code is a primary key. So we cannot insert the duplicate department code. Now I am going to insert the statement. Sorry, I am going to execute the statement. Select the statement, then execute. You can see commands completed successfully, but no rows affected. Now I am going to select the statement, then execute. Now you can see 1004 finance is not inserted into department table. Okay. Now instead of finance, I am going to give communication. So you have to mention the same department name here. Now I am going to select the statement and I am going to execute. Now you can see one row affected. Now I am going to select the statement, then execute. Now you can see 1004 communication is inserted into department table. Now I am going to select the statement again and I am going to execute. Now this value is not again inserted into department table. So it's avoiding the duplicate entry. Now I am going to select all the values from department table. Then click on execute button. Now you can see, sorry, I'm going to give 1005 here. Now I'm going to execute. It's not inserted into department table. Here, suppose any user tries to insert duplicate entry, we have to show some message. In that case, what we have to do is, I'm going to insert one more condition here, else begin end. Then here I am going to give select I'm going to give one message. Department name already exists. Now I am going to select these statements and I am going to execute. Now you can see the error message, department name already exists. Now I am going to give another department name called IT. The same department name I am going to mention it here. And I have to give one message also, like the department name successfully inserted into department table. For that one, the statement is select department details successfully inserted. So before that one, let's see the values in department table. Okay, 1004 communication. The next department code is 1005. Now I am going to select the statement and I am going to execute. Now you can see the message department details successfully inserted. Now I am going to select all the values from department table. Then click on execute button. Now you can see IT, the department name already inserted into department table. So this is the way to insert values into a department table and avoiding duplicate entries into a table. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope everyone enjoyed my video. If anyone not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for the new videos. Thank you.